Hi there, I'm Gary and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a very quick one to follow up on Airfix's announcement of the release of a brand new tool, Messerschmitt Bf-109G in 1/24 scale. The kit contains 405 parts across 16 frames, and it has markings for 5 different schemes, and it has paint masks included. When completed, the kit will be 378mm long and have a span of 414mm. The kit can represent the G5 or the G6 versions of Bf-109, and there are numerous options. You can choose whether or not to build the engine, as the kit can be completed with or without the engine in place. If you have the engine, the cowlings can be posed open with some supports. There are 2 types of cowling, 2 options for the canopy, additional parts required for the pressurized G5 version, and optional fuel tank and underwing cannon gondolas, to say just a bit. There are plenty of other options of things like gun sights, rudder pedals, goodness knows what. The first 3 schemes available represent a single aircraft. Scheme A is for a G6 Tropical, work number 15270, during its service with 6 JG3 in Sicily. This aircraft was captured, so Scheme B shows it in the markings of the 57th Fighter Group, US Army Air Force, in summer 43, and Scheme C after it had been sent to 1426 enemy aircraft flight at RAF Collie Weston. Scheme D is an aircraft of 4 JG3 in France in the summer of 1944, and Scheme E is for an aircraft of 9 JG54 flown by ML Hecker in Germany in February 1944. Interestingly, the kit includes a masking set for the exteriors of all the transparencies and for some of the scheme options, for example to mask the spiral on the spinner. A supplementary set will be available, including interior canopy masks, armoured plate masks and a tailwheel mask. There's also a 44-page manual which Airfix says will include detailed technical information, scheme histories, as well as the parts diagrams. So a bit more like you might get with something made by, I don't know, Corteret or something like that. The kit will be in stores and available online from the end of November at a suggested retail of £99.99, and the supplementary mask set as a further £9.99. But do expect some combo offers to be available from many outlets. Now, I'll be having a look at this new kit later today when I get to the Telford Exhibition Centre, so do keep an eye out on the channel for my review of what's in the box. That's it for the moment. I'll be back with more information later. Thanks very much for watching today, and goodbye.